In this video, I'm going to go over my entire crypto portfolio. I'm going to start off by listing the crypto that I have the least of and work all the way up until I get to the crypto that I hold the most of. The first crypto that I hold is Gala. Gala is a gaming crypto used on Gala Games, and it makes up about 2.3% of my portfolio. I don't own a lot of this token. I bought this token during the bull run. It was going crazy, and I've kind of just held it. I do think it can perform pretty well in the next bull run if Gala Games, the company, keeps creating games. They create a lot of play to earn games, so you can earn this crypto in game. The next crypto that I hold in my portfolio is Solana. Solana makes up about 2.5% of my portfolio. It took a big hit when the whole FTX thing happened because FTX had a lot of money in Solana. So a lot of people started selling it when they saw that it was a big part of FTX. I'm not buying any more Solana. I think there's a lot better places I could be putting my money, but I do think Solana will probably perform pretty good in the next bull run, but pretty much all cryptos perform good in bull runs. But I'm not selling the Solana that I have, but I'm not buying any more. The third crypto I hold in my portfolio is HBAR or Hashgraph. I started buying HBAR when I started researching the ISO 20022 global payment system. HBAR is compliant with that system, and it's also taken a really big hit this bear market. And I was looking at it last bull market, but it had just been pumping like crazy, and I didn't want to buy it at the prices that it was. But now the prices that it's at right now, I felt comfortable starting to accumulate that crypto. And that crypto makes up about 5.3% of my portfolio. The fourth crypto that I have in my portfolio is also a ISO 20022 compliant crypto, Algorand. Algorand makes up 6.3% of my portfolio. A couple things I like about Algorand is how fast you can send and receive Algorand and how little the trading fees are. If I was going to send some crypto to like one of my friends because I owed them some money or anything, Algorand would be the way to do it. Very low trading fees and very quick transactions. The fifth crypto I have in my portfolio is XRP. I am still buying XRP. I still think XRP is going to do very well throughout the coming years after it beats this SEC case. And I do think XRP will win. I buy XRP pretty much every week. And yes, XRP makes up about 12.3% of my portfolio. The sixth crypto in my portfolio is Cardano. It is one of my favorites. It is the only layer one that I think or has the best chance of flipping Ethereum. It makes up about 13% of my portfolio. And this is the crypto that I've probably been buying the longest. I've been buying Cardano for probably a year and a half now, ever since I got into crypto. And it is my fourth largest holding in my portfolio. The seventh crypto that I have in my portfolio is Bitcoin. I mean, for most people, their number one holding is Bitcoin. But for me, I kind of wanted to take a little bit more risky approach with my portfolio, just so I have the chance for more gains. I do think, and I am still buying Bitcoin pretty much every week. I dollar cost average into Bitcoin. It makes up 17.2% of my portfolio. And yeah, I think in the next 10 years, Bitcoin is going to be way more than it is right now. That's why I'm buying so much of it. But the reason I have two cryptos ahead of it that I own more of is just because I think they have more use case in the NFT market and all that stuff. And they have a higher chance of giving me a better return on my investment than in Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is the most stable. It leads the whole crypto market. And yeah, it is the seventh crypto I have in my portfolio. The eighth crypto I have in my portfolio and the one that I have the second most amount in is Ethereum. I've actually put the most money into Ethereum, but just the way it played out, it is now worth the second most amount, but I have put the most money into Ethereum just with the price movement and everything. And when I looked at my portfolio today, it was number 2 for 18.2% of my portfolio. And I think Ethereum is probably the best buy in crypto right now, just because, I mean, it's second to Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin drops, all the altcoins drop even more. But I feel like Ethereum, since it's kind of like it's Bitcoin and Ethereum, the two main things, the two cryptos that most people know. So when Bitcoin drops, I don't see Ethereum dropping that much more than Bitcoin does. So I still feel that it's pretty stable than all the other altcoins. And I do think it's going to pump a lot this next bull run, especially with all the NFTs and everything that is being built on it right now. The 9th crypto in my portfolio, and the one that I hold the most of, is Polygon. And Polygon is a layer 2 on the Ethereum blockchain. It has just recently partnered with FIFA and a whole bunch of other companies making NFTs and all that stuff on this network. It has less trading costs than Ethereum does, and it also has faster transaction speed. It makes up 22.8% of my portfolio, and I think this crypto will probably perform the best for me in the next bull run, and I'm still accumulating it during this bear market. I do think it will fall lower during this bear market because I don't think the crypto bottoms are in yet. I do think the crypto market will probably bottom at the end of this year, maybe the beginning of next. Who knows? Kind of just depends on if any more exchanges crash, like FTX, causing the markets to fall and all that stuff. But no matter what, I'm still buying in dollar cost averaging to Polygon for the rest of this bear market. So those are the 9 cryptos that I hold in my portfolio. Those make up my entire crypto portfolio. I'll put up a little thing right here showing all the percentages and how much I hold of each crypto. And yeah, that's my entire crypto portfolio. Thanks for watching.